I wish someone told me this before I started poultry farming. If they did, I wouldn't have made some costly mistakes. I lost money, I lost bed, and I learned hard way. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact thing I wish I knew, so that you too, you don't fall victim and make the same mistakes. If you are planning to start poultry farming, or you have already started, then this video might save you a lot of stress and money. Poultry farming is profitable only if you do it right. You are welcome back. This is Fresh Farmer Farms Agro Academy. Here we give practical training on poultry farming, also opportunities in agro business. The number one thing I wish I knew when I first started poultry farming business is that sheep chicks. I went for sheep chicks. This is a mistake every new beginner or every beginner in poultry farming also makes it. I went for sheep chicks. I forgot, or let me say I didn't know that sheep chicks, they don't grow very well. Their growth is very slow. Also, they fall sick easily. Sheep chicks fall sick easily. I never knew. How I wish I've known. I wouldn't have gone for sheep chicks. I thought because the price was cheap, I went for it. Sheep chicks always have high mortality. They are very cheap, to be sincere, but the growth is not normal. Their mortality is of high side. So as a beginner, I will advise you that you must not go for sheep chicks. Don't consider the money. Go for the best quality chicks. Don't buy low chicks, because if you buy it, you will never enjoy it. The number two mistake I made when I started poultry farming business is that I didn't prepare very well before my chicks arrived. I didn't prepare, no preparation. That was the first time I collected my chicks. The brooding pen, I've not even started it, I've not even prepared it. So because of this, I lost money, I lost bed. The pen was not fully ready. My pen there was not fully ready. Because of this, the chicks, they were stressed up. I've not prepared their pen. I've not given them it. The coat was there. They were stressed. Also dead. I lost many chicks. So you prepare as a beginner. You must prepare for your broilers, for your chicks before they arrive. Prepare for your chicks before they arrive. Another thing that I wish I knew when I started poultry business is that the temperature, I didn't even know how to measure the temperature then. I didn't know the normal temperature to give them. So as a beginner, you must know the temperature of your bed. Know when to give them temperature. Know when to remove heat from them. Know when to increase their heat. You must know the standard temperature. You must know everything about the temperature of your chicks, of your bed, before you even start this business. If you don't do this, you will lose your chicks. Another mistake I wish I knew when I started this poultry business is that vaccination. Vaccination. Let me tell you something. Vaccination is not optional. It's not a routine management, but it is very compulsory. You must take your vaccination very serious. Mostly Lasota vaccine and Gumboro vaccine. There's nothing you can do to boycott this vaccination. You must do it, because if you don't do your vaccination correctly, or if you don't do it at all, you will definitely lose your bed. Don't joke or play with your vaccination. As a beginner, you must do the vaccination, do the needful. Don't boycott your vaccination. Another thing I wish I knew when I started poultry farming is that feed. Then I never knew that feed takes about 75% to 80% of cost of production. I just started. I didn't prepare for feed. I never prepared for feed. I just said, okay, let me collect my chicks and start the business, not knowing that feed is very important and compulsory. So as a beginner, as a starter in poultry farming business, you must calculate the total number of bags of feed you are going to use. Even before you start the production, before you start each cycle, you must know the number of bags of feed you are going to use. Please, you must do it right. Calculate it right, so that you will not regret at the end of the day. Feed is your biggest cost. Also, you must give them quality feed. Give your chicks your best quality feed. Don't go for low quality feed. Give them the quality feed they need, because poor feed will always lead to poor growth. If your feed is of low quality, your chicks will not grow. They will have stunted growth. and at the end of the day you will have low profit, and we know that profit is what we want. So you must give them quality feed so that you have good profit. Another mistake I made is that wet litter. Then I never knew that their litter is very important, that you need to be changing their litters. You need to be giving them the normal litter, which is wood shaving. Wood shaving is very important. When the litter is wet or is not good again, you need to change it. When the litter is dirty, when the litter is wet, there will be bad odor. That's one of the reasons why poultry farm is always smelling. You must change it at the normal time so that there won't be any odor in your poultry farm. Also, if the litter is wet, it will definitely lead to disease outbreak. Disease like coccidiosis. Don't allow your litter to be dirty so that you won't have disease outbreak. Another mistake I made as a beginner in this poultry farming business is that I didn't plan for market when I started. I never even thought of market. As a beginner, you must think of market. You must know your target. You must know who you are going to supply your chicks to. Who are your off-takers? When are you selling your birds? At what age? Are you selling at 3 weeks old or 4 weeks old? Are you selling at table size? You must know your market. Plan for your market. Do your market survey even before they get or they attain to the market weight. Please, this one is very important, because if you miss this market planning, you will definitely miss and lose profit. So if you are starting as a beginner, start small. Many beginners also do make this mistake. They want to start big. No, start small and plan big. You must start small and you will plan big. When you start small, you will learn and grow. So as a beginner, do this one. To be honest, poultry farming is not a quick money business. No, it is not a quick money business, but it is a management, discipline and consistency. You must know the management very well. You must learn it. You must be very disciplined. It's not easy. Poultry farming is not easy. So you need to discipline yourself. Also, you must be consistent. The consistency must be there. Be consistent. Make sure that you have birds every time. So these 3 things, if you put it in mind, you will definitely make it in poultry business. Conclusively, if you are a beginner and you want to start poultry farming, there's no problem, but I don't want you to make the same mistake I made when I started this business. Consider everything I've said and try to adjust. Make sure that you adjust and you don't make this mistake, so that your case will not be as I know. If you learned something in today's video, if you have learned something new, I want you to like our video, share it to a friend that want to start a poultry business or even has started. Also, I want you to subscribe to this channel, Freshman Farms Agro Academy. Subscribe. Also, we need your comment. Have you started or you are just starting? I need your comment at the comment section. If you have started, there's no problem. But if you are just starting, you should write, I am starting now. Thank you.